My name is Amy Jackson, and I am the Vice President of Learning and Development with Illuminate Education. So out of a lot of brain research and what has filtered into education now, we understand how important it is to create a positive emotional climate in a classroom. And why that is so critical to us is that we understand now that stress, or a perception of threat, in another way to say it, is actually prohibitive to learning. Information first comes through the limbic system, and the limbic system is responsible for aggregating what it perceives through our senses and determining whether it is a threat to us or whether it is not. And when the brain and the limbic system do perceive a threat, it evokes a stress response. And we know from brain imaging that when information is perceived as a threat and is in some way stressful to the brain, that information does not go at the same rate or pace to the cortex for informational processing. The actual ability to process information in a way that would create a learning situation is completely impeded. We know the opposite is true also, that when a student has a positive emotional response to an environment, that learning is actually aided by that because the brain responds favorably to it and it creates a stronger and clearer pathway to the cortex for informational processing. And so we have to control those factors in a classroom to prevent stressful situations for students, and when there is trauma outside of the classroom, doing what we can to make the classroom environment a really positive place and a really positive experience for learning.